Do you want to quickly save just part of a photo without opening the editor? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes a handy quick crop feature that lets you save the zoom in area as a new image in just one tap. Let me show you how. First, open the Gallery app, then open a photo. Now use the finger to zoom in on the part of the photo you want to keep. Once you have positioned the image, tap the quick crop icon in the bottom left corner. Your phone instantly saves the visible zoom in area as a new image, while the original photo remains unchanged. It is a fast way to crop part of a photo without using the editing tools. And that's how you use quick crop in the Samsung Gallery app on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.